Solved problems. Work out missing amounts in the accounting equation A is equal to L plus OE. Assets is equal to liabilities plus owner's equity. Problem 1. Using the accounting equation, complete the following table. Assets, liabilities, equity. Assets dash liabilities 457,000, equity 270,000. 2. Assets 1,006,000, liabilities 457,000, equity dash 3. Assets 309,000, liabilities dash equity 120,000. 4. Assets dash liabilities 756,000, equity 451,000. 5. Assets 895,000, liabilities 148,000, equity dash 6. Assets 668,000, liabilities dash equity 222,000. Problem 2. The following figures are extracted from various sole proprietorships. Using the expanded accounting equation, compute the following table. Assets, liabilities, equity, capital, income and expenses. 1. Assets dash liabilities 96,000, capital 56,000, income 46,500, expenses 32,500. 2. Assets 151,000, liabilities dash capital 39,000, income 86,000, expenses 48,000. 3. Assets 182,000, liabilities 65,000, capital dash income 37,000, expenses 25,500. 4. Assets 123,000, liabilities 54,000, capital 42,000, equity dash expenses 26,000. 5. Assets 94,000, liabilities 25,000, capital 37,000, income 67,500, expenses dash. Problem 3. The assets, liabilities and owner's equity of Diograda Corpus, who operates a repair shop, are expressed in equation form below. Corpus completed the following transactions. Prepare a final transaction worksheet by filling the label provided below. Determine the amount total for each account item and the total of the assets and liabilities, owner's equity. Assets, cash, supplies and land. Liabilities, accounts payable. Owner's equity, corpus capital, corpus withdrawal, revenue minus expenses. 1. Organized a repair shop and invested 500,000 cash in the business. Purchased 20,000 of supplies on account. 3. Purchased land for future repair site for 140,000 cash. Paid 18,000 to creditors. 5. Withdraw 25,000 for personal use. 6. Paid 28,000 for site and equipment rent for the month. 7. During the month, 10,000 expenses were incurred on account by the business. 8. During the month, Corpus earned 100,000 for the services rendered to his credit. Solution. Problem 1. Assets, liabilities, equity. Assets dash liabilities 457,000, equity 270,000. Assets is equal to 457,000 plus 270,000, total 727,000. 2. Assets 1,006,000, liabilities 457, equity is equal to assets minus liabilities 1,006,000 minus 457, equity is equal to 549,000. 3. Assets 309,000, liabilities dash equity 120,000, liabilities is equal to 319,000 minus 120,000, 189,000. 4. Assets dash liabilities 756,000, equity 451,000. Therefore, assets is equal to 756,000 plus 451,000, total 12,207,000. Assets 895,000, liabilities 148,000. Therefore, equity is equal to assets minus liabilities 895 minus 148,000, 747,000 is the equity. Assets 668,000, liabilities dash equity 222,000. Therefore, the liabilities is equal to 668 minus 222,000, 446,000 is the liability. Problem 2. The following figures are extracted from various sole proprietors using the expanded accounting equation. Complete the following table. Assets, liabilities under equity, capital, income and expenses. Company 1. Assets dash liabilities 96,000, capital 56,000, income 46,000, expenses 32,500. Therefore, total assets is equal to 96,000 plus 56,000 plus 46,500 minus 32,500, 166,000. Proprietorship 2. Assets 151,000, liabilities dash equity 39,000, capital 86,000 is the income, 48,000 is the expenses. Therefore, the liabilities are 151,000 minus 39,000 minus 86,000 plus 48,000, 74,000 is the liability. Proprietorship T. Assets 182,000, liabilities 65,000, capital dash equity 37,000, expenses 25,500. The capital is 182,000 minus 65,000 minus 37,000 plus 25,500, 105,500 is the amount of capital. Proprietorship 4. Assets 123,000, liabilities 54,000, capital 42,000, equity dash expenses 26,000. Therefore, the equity is equal to 123,000 minus 54,000 minus 42,000 plus 26,000, that is equal to 53,000 is the amount of equity. Proprietorship number 5. Assets 94,000, liabilities 25,000, capital 37,000, income 67,500, expenses dash. Therefore, the expenses are 25,000 plus 37,000 plus 67,500 minus 94,000 is equal to 35,500 is the amount of expenses. Solution to problem number 3. The assets, liabilities and owner's equity of Diogracia Corpus, who operates a repair shop, are expenses in equation from below. The corpus completed the following transactions. Prepare a financial transaction worksheet by filling up the table provided below. Determine the amount to total of each account item and the total of assets and liabilities and owner's equity. Transaction 1. Organized a repair shop and invested 500,000 cash in the business. It increases cash balance by 500,000 and increases capital by 500,000. Transaction number 2. Purchased 20,000 of supplies on account. It increases supplies by 20,000 and it increases accounts payable by 20,000. Transaction number 3. Purchased land for future repair site for 140,000 cash. There is a decrease in cash 140,000 and there is an increase in land 140,000. Transaction 4. Paid 18,000 to creditors. There is a decrease in cash balance 18,000 and the accounts payable is also decreased by 18,000. Transaction 5. Withdraw 25,000 for personal use. There is decrease by 25,000 in cash and the withdrawal account is debited by 25,000. Transaction 6. Paid 28,000 for site and equipment rent for the month. So there is a decrease in cash by 28,000 and it is an expense of 28,000. Transaction 7. During the month 10,000 expenses were incurred on account by the business. Accounts payable increased by 10,000 and the expenses incurred is also 10,000. Transaction 8. During the month Corpus earned 100,000 for the services rendered to his client. Cash increased by 100,000 and the revenue increased by 100,000. When we total each head cash, there is a cash balance of 389,000 and total supplies are 20,000, land value is 140,000, accounts payable is 12,000 and capital is 500,000, withdrawal is 25,000 and the net of expenses over revenue is net revenue is 62,000. Let us check. Assets cash 389,000, supplies 20,000, land 140,000, total assets 549,000, liabilities and equity, accounts payable 12,000, capital 500,000, less drawings 25,000, add profit 62,000, total liabilities and equity 549,000. Recap. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Accounts Lobby for various solved problems and lectures on accountancy.